7th season of the FIA Formula E World Championship.
Fantastic way to start the season.
Super Pole, I finished in P3.
See how we can recover for tomorrow.
Locker just too quick.
So we get green in Rome.
I'm very happy with the podium.
Yeah, so half the season done. For us, it hasn't gone as expected.
Lotter up the inside and there's a crash.
Yeah, the first win is still waiting for us.
It was looking quite promising.
I think we've had the car and we've had the drivers, we've had the team to do a lot better. We've had a bit of unlucky run, a few results got away from us. A lot to work on, a lot to look back on, and a lot to look forward to moving on for the second half. First season was interrupted and we had a lack of racing, and now we've got regular racing and we've learned a lot, which we didn't learn last year for whatever reason. We know we can do it, we're all positive, and we just need to put it all together and really learn from what we've been taught the hard way the first half of this year. It's so close, it's a fantastic championship, 24 cars, and they're so close together, and the smallest bit of smallest mistake, driving-wise or team-wise, it puts you at the back of the field, which it should be, and we try and now look for that little fraction of a second everywhere to get that first win. So we've had quite a decent break now, and it's given us a bit of quality time to go through and review what we've done so far this year. And last race wasn't the best one for us, but behind everything we found some good steps forward, and we can really work on this and keep it rolling and push for the win, and it's about always improving. The whole pit lane they're not sleeping, they're also stepping their game up, and we need to be that little bit better. So looking for that extra little bit of performance wherever it is, and bringing that forward and making it matter and going for the win.